called like it. You see, all those things are churchkhela. And churchkhela, they are different color. Color depends from which kind of fruit juice we make churchkhela. Classic is made from grapes. White grapes katsiten, red grapes are perave, pomegranate, cherry, or opposite. Same color, when you taste, you can tell me. And for me, this one, white one, is the most unique churchkhela. Because all this churchkhela includes alcohol. White wine, coconut, and a little bit white wine. This kind of churchkhela you cannot find in different places. And when you taste, you can tell me it is delicious for you or not. So, this one you call fruit leza. We call chlavi. We make porridge from different kind of fruits and the things she's dry in the sun without sugar and water. This is the reason why I say porridge, not jam. Only fruits, nothing more. Pomegranate, plum, fig, apple, kiwi. And here you can taste Georgian sauces. Green sour plum, red sour plum, ajiga with tomatoes. And this is the spiciest one, ajiga. If you don't like spicy food, be careful. Dear friends, we have here new sticks and rubbish you can throw inside this jar. And also honey. Most of you already tasted this honey. Acacia, the most people allergic honey, the best honey for kids. Chestnut, specific, aftertaste is bitter. Very good for blood circulation, heart, stomach, blood pressure. Raspberry, the best honey for immune system. And also linden honey. Okay, dear friends. Also they have linden honey here with honeycombs. Honeycombs is very good for stomach. So we eat, don't throw. So taste also this one. Okay, let's do like this. I'm gonna put this in the middle and I'll do like this. Dear friends, I speak, you taste, okay? Don't wait until I finish. Please. Taste because I cannot hold for a long time anything. So, this beautiful lady Oligo will help me to provide for you. Let's begin.
This is white wine? White wine. What wine?
Okay, how many years old are you?
Nangihingi na.
That's 14. So, see, this is also full rubbish. You can throw also rubbish here, there.
Nag-breakfast ka sana. O, ituloy breakfast.
Late ako nagising. Naging istisa na sila. Oh.
You may chocolate. Yes.
Try this. Let me try this.
Yeah, please.
Which one's chestnut?
Children.
Hindi na naitsura yung mukha.
Hilig yung utak mo eh.
No. Sorry.
Not to you guys.
This is cha-cha.
Not for them.
Even if... Yo. Yo.
Hello guys, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. First day po natin ngayon. Ito po yung ating service for today. Ayan po yung service natin ngayon guys. Ayan po yung service natin. Nandito tayo ngayon sa farm ng pagawaan ng wine. Ayan. Yung plate number 887 tayo guys. Okay. Ay,
Okay. You can put here.
Окей, вы исправили dry wines, why dry wine? First, начинаем с сухих вин. Первое, делаем сухое вино и вместо это деревья. Чурчхелло also, I prepare wine, you can try чурчхелло. Пока пробуйте, хотите чурчхелло, пока я разливаю вино. Here you see, red grape, вот это сахарами красные, что виноградники там были. Кацетели, same grape like, similar grape like this. Вот белый виноград, гранаты, слюда. Everyone say Jos. I say after Gaumar, everyone say Jos. Второй раз. Третий раз. Last time I say Gaumar, everyone Jos. Yeah. You don't have wine? Just a minute. Without empathy, you cannot. Just a minute. I will tell one more bottle. Just 20. Okay. Little bit one more. So,
anong meron dito?
oh, careful. Yep. There you go. Say thank you. Good job.
So you have to wait there for 30 minutes.
Okay. Ibang tourist na kakain ng ibang tourist.
Ano to?
Good job.
Okay. Niluluto pala. Ay, mag-try din ako.
Ayan.
It's on.
Yes. Take one. Open the string. Tapos dyan.
Ano na pala ito? Mahal. Tapos, nilulunod siya.
That's
Okay,
right.
you choose your string na. Open the...
Masarap. Okay.
This is shit, he's not Chinese. He's Georgia. He speak only English. No Philippines. Yeah. Sige na. Ay. Sorry. You want to try those? Idip mo ate.
You need to dip it. Dip.
Sige, patik mo tayo.
This. How are you pulling?
We'll try.
Wow.
Yes.
So this is a nice.
Ava wants to try.
Yes, it is.
This is following.
as deep as it is possible. You need to cover it fully. Yeah. And maybe, yeah. You cannot break it, so don't worry. The head again. Pull out, but pull out, pull out. Wow, that's nice, beautiful. Now take the time, and Mariana, take the time. Mariana, what help you? Give me spoon. Good job, Eva. You helped them. Well done. Oh, you're
Video only.
Omi Jane.
Ah,
Right. Kai ko lagi ako na bibigyan na lang ang malas para. Ay, kichawi ko. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Nice. One more? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much.
woo! Pasok na tayo sa ating sakit guys. Dito tayo nakasilip.
Magang ano, magang. Magang yung kanina.
Sarap.
Malag siya. Nakadami eh. Bakit yung mabot na ano, huling.
Ito yung service natin guys. Yan yung service natin. Okay? Dalawa yung service natin. Ang ganda na. Ayan yung tourist guide namin. No? Bisa.
They track one lot every year.
My gosh. My gosh. Super duper ganda dito guys. So ayan po guys. Nandito po tayo napapalibutan ng pine trees at saka hindi ko to alam. Basta yun na yun. Kayo na lang mag-describe kung ano yung mga nakikita ko na hindi ko alam. Maginaw. Umuusok na yung bungaanga ko. Yes. Wow. Oh my God. Daming mga magaganda dito guys. Oh wey. Weh. You lose your group.
Okay, okay, move on this side. Hospital walk left side and there will be start back. And I need 10 minutes to tell you. Georgia became a church country in the 4th century when St. Nino came from Cappadocia to Georgia. But the time in Georgia already lived Christian people. In the 1st century, after crucifying Jesus Christ on the cross, these people went to different countries to teach people Christian religion. And the Virgin Mary wanted to come to Georgia, but she saw Jesus Christ, and Jesus Christ told her that it was very close the day when she would die. So she had not enough time to do this. So she chose one of the time and sailed into Georgia. This is Andreas' first halt. Porta Postal came to Georgia and began to teach her Christian religion. That time many people became Christians, but not all countries. Saint Nino was born in a religious family. Father was a relative of Saint George. And this is the reason why we love Saint George very much. And my Georgia celebrate George and of course we like him very much. And every second name in our country is Nino. You know that my name is Nino, and it's very easy to guess that my elder brother's name is George. This is what tradition in our country. Father or brother, but the name is always George. Let's say Nino was 12 years old, had parents went to us and take care of old people. And Sarah just take care of Nino. Not Sarah, she's here. The children are married in Georgia. Georgia, but she was Georgia. And in the evening, when she was playing in front of Virgin Mary, I can't remember, she saw Virgin Mary.
Meron na karma.
يلا يا مريم يلا يا شادي
She's so cute. That is so beautiful balcony because balcony at the back. Very beautiful view.
Here's my cousin. Sorry. Here's the girl from Korea. Finding shark
You see people are standing, walking on perfect. You see cross, the door is and pay attention. When you go closer, pay attention at the cross. You will see that people are down. They built a storage place. You don't want to see church. You need to walk through.
Wow guys, tingnan mo yung mga pits guys, oh. Sobrang dami guys. Oh, mga pits guys, oh. Ah, grabe. Yung mga puno ng pits. Ang daming puno ng pits guys. Ay, daming bunga pala. Okay. Hello guys, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ako po muli ang inyong lingkod na si Mr. Puging Yacob ng Sayhat Dammam, Saudi Arabia. So ayan po guys, nandito po tayo ngayon. Itong nakikita po natin po guys, base sa sinasabi ng ating tourist guide, ito po ay tinatawag na City of Love. Sabi ganon. City of Love daw ang tawag niyan guys. So, yun, pero hanapin natin yung nakasulat na City of Love, parang wala. So, yan. Foggy lang guys, foggy, kaya hindi natin makikita ang masyado guys. Lapitan nga natin guys. Oh, yun na yung mas maganda siguro, hindi na malapit. Ayan po guys. Yan po ang sinabi ng ating tourist guide na yan ang tinatawag na City of Love dito ng Georgia. Hello guys, dito tayo kakain ng ating lunch. Ang lahat ay gutom. So nandito po yung dito tayo, tingnan natin kung ano mga pagkain nilang masarap.
Ay, gawin na. Gawin.
Kapal ng pugs guys. Dito tayo sa restaurant ngayon guys. Ayan yung restaurant. Pero doon tayo pumuesto sa loob kasi sobrang lamig dito. Kaya doon tayo sa loob. Minsan na guys, ito lang pagkain ni guys. Huwag yung tunay. Yan. May mga naka-impact ng mga wine nila. Na alikabok na. Wineveria. Marani Rospiri. French wine. Dito po ginagawa yung kanilang mga wine. Pinag-iimbak nila dito yung kanilang wine. 1,100 liter. Oh, wow. Ang dami.
Let's move that side.
В следующем году в Казани там толпа будет.
I'm going to see
Нет, дело не в солнце.
Ginagawa nilang wine o yung dahon.
Раньше, как правило, это концерт устроил,
Binababad lang nila yung dahon.
This young man is Nika of Nicholas in English, main sommelier and winemaker. He's gonna tell you about those wines, which one you are gonna taste here. And you are gonna taste 9 different wines.
Oh my God.
At the end is the most unique cha-cha. We need to do cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha after.
Okay, please.
Walang bogey.
Mag-ano siya, bartender, magaganon-ganon muna ng baso.
Dapat ano, yung
Она значит, как, как.
Tawag doon? Ano na yung baba?
Как хотели киси, розы, розы.
Pag-iangan yung puti.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Nika, Nicholas. Now we are in the wine cellar estate, Signari. We're making natural wine, organic wine, and we're making wine in clay pot clay vessels. This is clay pot clay vessels, what you see in the underground name, it's Qvevri. This is very old Georgian traditional Georgian people making 8,000 years wine in Qvevri. Archaeologists find it in Shulaveri, this is close Tbilisi. Find it Qvevri, inside grape seed. 8,000 years old grape seed. This is not wild grape seed. This is cultivated culture grape seed. This artifact does not find it in the world, and was in Georgia is first country to make wine. Please take glass.
Tama na to.
No, ayoko niya.
Hindi, kunti lang naman eh.
Doon na ako sa factory. Sa factory, baka wala na ako sa hulog mamaya.
Di ba? Ano kasama ba to? Hindi pa to talaga yung paggawa mo. Muna ako.
Baka mawala ko sa...
Ano lang naman yung kunti.
Kanina nahilo.
Umaga.
Everyone have glass with wine? First wine, what we try now, name it Katziteli.
Cheers!
Cheers! Merry Christmas again! Merry Christmas!
Katziteli name of grapes. Very popular white grapes in Georgia and Kakheti. 75% white grapes we have Katziteli. Katziteli have very amazing harvest and with a Katziteli making brandy, grape juice for churchkela, semi-sweet wine, semi-dry, dry.
So, dear friends, keep glasses with you because you will taste 9 different wines. If you don't want to finish your wine,
No.
you can throw inside those bowls. And you remember, I said about amber wine. First wine is amber wine, which one is very good antioxidant. Cleans our body. So it's like medicine.
Next is now very interesting wine name is Kisi.
Kisi. So, makakiss na tayo na.
Very popular and very rare grapes. Only winemakers have these types of grapes because we have very little harvest. We have small vineyard Kisi in Alazani Valley in Old Danaga, 6 years old vineyard, and 8 years this is bio vineyard. Tractor not going inside.
yun, oh. Wala, ito walang ano.
And making, we're not making chemicals. This is semi-dry.
Kumaya, hindi na tayo
Hindi,
makauwi.
pag binigyan kayo, sabihin nyo lang konti.
Sinabi ng konti,
Barbecue lang ito pati.
where's our leftover? Dapat dinala mo muna yung pizza mo. Okay, cheers. Pwede naman itapon doon.
Mostly winemakers
Guys, please.
Mostly winemakers use this kind of grape to make dry wine. Semi-dry, Kisi, I only tasted here. So only Niga has semi-dry Kisi. And only Niga and one factory use this kind of grape to make semi-sweet Kisi. So, next one is also Kisi, but that one is semi-sweet. So,
Semi-sweet.
sweeter.
Sweeter.
Mostly in Georgia we make dry or semi-sweet wine. Yeah, I already. Excuse me. My judge.
Sorry. Here? No, not here. I'll go on the other side.
Yan, sweetie daw yan.
Not this one.
Ano, that
No,
one.
don't skip that one. Because kiss is semi-sweet has only.
This is semi-sweet?
Yeah, this one is semi-sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll try. No, I want Tingnan natin mamaya sino magchat-chat siya mamaya. Ayan.
Ang sarap.
Ating hatata sa'yo, masarap.
Mamaya magcha-cha ka na naman.
We give them to cha-cha. If you want cha-cha, I can make them for cha-cha. No problem. Just let me know. This is semi-sweet.
If you sing, everybody will make cha-cha.
Yeah, this is the reason why we give you cha-cha to dance and sing. Have joy.
Pang 3 pa lang yun. May ano pa.
So, dear friends, do you know how we make semi-sweet wine? When we collect harvest of grapes, we always measure sugar level. It must not be less than 21-23%. And when we have microdose for semi-sweet wines, sugar level can reach 30%. To make semi-sweet wine, you need to stop process of fermentation. For this, people use special fridges and also machines. Like they make temperature -3. This stops process of fermentation and that natural sugar does it. That natural sugar, which one is inside the grapes, stays in wine, and we have natural semi-sweet wine. So you must not add any sugar when you make wine. If people will tell you that you need to add so much sugar during making the wine, it means that person does not know how to make real wine. And don't drink wine of that person. It's no joke. Even our rules control this in Georgia. And yeah, if you add sugar and began to sell wine like this, prison. Yeah, prison. No joke. Also, dear friends, also semi-sweet wine, but from different kind of grapes and different area. So very different. Everything is different.
Ayan na sa kanya.
Semi-sweet, its name is Alazani Bailey.
Alasani Billy.
You?
Alasani Billy daw.
Oh, masarap to. Matamis.
Oh, Alasani Billy daw yung ano, hindi siya masyadong alcohol. Base sa kanya, kasi matamis daw. Yan.
Alasani
As per sa
Okay,
observation.
guys, next wine. Now it's very interesting wine with red grapes. Name it Saperawi. Saperawi, name of grapes. If we translate, Saperawi is translating color or who gives color. 98% red grapes, we have Saperawi. Saperawi have very amazing harvest, and Saperawi is real red grapes. What this means? In world, we have 5,000 different red grapes, but real red grapes only 17. Saperawi is real red. If you have normal red grapes and you cut, inside it's full white and only grape skin it's red. And with normal red grapes can making white wine and red wine. How this making? If with normal red grapes going fermentation without skin, you making white wine. With skin making red wine because grape skin give wine color. But impossible making white wine with Saperawi grapes. I tell you, Saperawi is real red grapes. If you take and cut Saperawi grapes, grape skin it's dark red, and inside it's full red. And if with Saperawi going fermentation without skin, you making not white wine, you making rosé. What you try now? This is semi-dry Saperawi rosé making European styles. Fermentation going only grape juice. Next it's same rosé but semi-sweet.
Dear friends, in this wine cellar, you cannot find old wines because every year they produce about 4,000, maximum 4,500 bottles. I told you that this is organic winery. You know what is organic winery? They don't use any chemicals in vineyards and also during the making wine. And why they don't have old wines? Because they drink those wines by themselves or just as here. The oldest wine, which one you can find in this wine cellar, is next wine. This is Saperavi. Saperavi, oh, this one. This is Saperavi. Saperavi, red dry wine, a traditional technology.
No.
Traditional technology means wine was made in clay, those clay pots which you see under the ground. And this is 5 years old wine, not more. To be honest, it's not wine. This is medicine. I don't joke. Because during the party, we always drink first wine. We can drink a lot. But if people they don't drink, they drink this wine 3 maximum 4 glasses. Because Saperavi is very good. Antioxidant, anti-cholesterol, anti-radiation, anti-depression, low blood pressure, low hemoglobin, we drink Saperavi, increase blood pressure and low hemoglobin. So we are in pharmacy, not in wine cellar. Now let's say, is this medicine?
Ate, mapapatsatsa na talaga mamayang gabi nito ulit. Sabi ko na nga eh. Tatawid ka lang.
Oo.
Tatawid ka lang sa harapan. Magbibigay ka na.
Nahilo na ako.
Is it semi-sweet or sweet? Dry. Dry?
It's like bahalin.
750.
Dry.
Yes. They don't have.
Oh.
So it will easily
You need to put in those. Any wine you cannot put in your cabin luggage because they are more than 100 milliliters. It's forbidden. You cannot. Does not matter.
Hand
It is
carry.
plastic or glass, but this bottle, even this one, in cabin luggage.
check-in, yeah. This is what I am.
Yeah, cabin luggage,
Yeah,
not
so
cabin luggage.
so you have special packaging. So it won't break on my luggage.
Ganyan lang.
Ate next
Did you like this medicine? Really? Normally, my curate says that this medicine is bitter, not easy to drink. So, because this medicine is not easy to drink, Nika made semi-sweet Saperavi. Same grapes, but different technology of winemaking, top process fermentation, and made semi-sweet wine.
Semi-sweet, mamaya sweet na tayong lahat.
Inom tayo, libre na. Wala sa sabi.
I think this is the one that I bought there, right? No, this is not the one. No,
You put semi-sweet. This one is dry. No,
Iba na yung epekto niya.
No, you put
Lahat.
the sweet around it. I remember. Tisbarao, you have not tasted here yet. Tisbarao is that wine here.
At iba na yung epekto mo ate.
Rose wine is not wine. You bought red. You bought red wine there.
Okay lang yan, para alam mo yung
Yeah, you put it on your I want this one so far. Yes. Dear friends, last wine is Tisbarauli red semi-sweet wine. The most popular red semi-sweet wine. Yes. Now compare and tell me which one you like more. I told you 3 wine tastings everywhere. Wine are different, very different.
Last na to eh.
Okay po.
All right.
Thank you.
This is so nice.
All of you are nice.
Oh my God. Compared to the one that I got. The first one? Yeah, it's nice.
Attention, attention! Your tour guide is speaking. So, dear friends, I told you that here you are gonna taste the most unique cha-cha. Nika does not like simple taste of cha-cha. So, and he thrown inside fruit. This fruit can grow in this region very good. When you smell, you can tell me which fruit he used to make cha-cha sauce. And when Luca gives you cha-cha, please don't drink. Because I would like to say one toast. In Georgia, we don't drink alcohol if we don't say toast. Okay, today is Christmas and we need to say one toast.
Okay. Sige. Cha-cha! Sige. Cha-cha na kayo ha.
Ve bereket be. Bereket be.
Misha Stalini, що ви тут хатали? Моменту мало. Misha Stalini.
Agar arı.
Арали хванчкара.
Raga duruz pançkara.
Music please. Sige. Tingnan natin.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Which fruit can you smell? No.
Sorak beyaz.
No. This is cha-cha with melon. Smells good. So, dear friends, now I am your Tamada. Do you know who is Tamada?
Torres.
No. Tamada is leader of party and Toastmaster. In Georgia, when we drink alcohol, we always have Tamada. And he's always mad. So, I'm gonna use my position and be your Tamada. Yeah, friends. Today is one of the most important days. Christmas. So, I would like to wish you to have whole year full with joy, happiness, laugh and laugh with your family and with your friends. God bless you and Merry Christmas. За Рождество не пьем. У них Рождество сегодня. Да, от 5-го. Седьмого. У нас 7-го, а у них сегодня. Так что пусть Бог всегда будет с вами и всегда будет помогать и благословить. Drink one shot. Gaumar Jos. I'm working, don't wait me, I cannot.
Gaumar!
Jos!
Which 3 times.
You want to
Gaumar
like
and we
Lucas?
finish it Jaws.
Gaumar!
Voice again.
Go!
Okay, wait.
Kumada, akala, magwekara po
You finish Jaws. 3 times, as loud as it is possible. Let everybody to hear you. Ready?
Gaumar!
Jaws!
Gaumar! Gaumar!
If you would like to do anything, Nika and Luca will help you, and I'm waiting you outside, and I'm gonna tell you about our next step.
Okay, wine taste is done. Fish version price, fish wine price is 50, next one is 60. Gacha price say 50.
Yeah, you want to announce toilet?
Dear friends, now we have city tour, and we have 2 options. First option is to walk everywhere, not everywhere. We are gonna walk through. But here, you at this moment we have no option to fly.
She will take you home.
Where is Olimar? Megas Olimar. Asilar Sach.
Kumain na ba?
We are used this second tower, then we finish walking on the wall. Only for 100 meters, not for kilometers. If you want to walk for kilometers, I will wait you on the bus.
Baby, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ganda naman ng Bahay na yan. Para ka tinutulak eh.
Yeah. This way, bend my body.
Only our group. Walk down carefully.
Don't jump!
Don't jump.
No, it's not high.
It's not high.
It's not high, so they can risk. This is normal because steps are uncomfortable and they walk down carefully. Are you blogger? Are you blogger?
Yeah, it's posted by YouTube.
No, not it. Make me famous.
I
I'm kidding.
No problem. I will promote your...
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Just.
Uy, akit na naman.
Это не найти ее. Она маленькая, а там такие куски. Да, сейчас будет еще выше.
Tinakot mo ko ah. Yo! Ayan guys, mga kababayan natin yan, kasabayan natin dyan. Shout out sa ating mga taga Pilipinas. Oh, sa taga Mindanao dyan, ganon. Bisaya. Oh. Ito pa isa ka Bisaya oh. Basta Bisaya, gahe. Gahe bagtag. So yan guys oh, makikita nyo yung mga disenyo nilang gawa. Yan. So maraming mga souvenir na pwede mong bilhin. Diba kasi sa ito oh. Yan. Kaso nga lang Georgian yung Georgian yung
Buy ice cream. But I'm surprised that they don't have blue wine at this moment.
gawa ng Georgian. Yan. Mga souvenir mas nila. Saka mga sila sa Palamuti. Oo.
I know my life pag night. Yes. I saw it in Tbilisi. Like this.
Alin lights?
Everybody,
Yun po yung car.
little bit rust, and also let me tell you about this chair. We have Christmas cards. So, dear friends, we stop here because I would like to tell you about this church. This is St. George Church. Sacred St. George Church, which we see today. Good church here was built in the 7th, 8th century. Look, what you see on the bottom was built in the 7th, 8th century. But what you see on the top is from 18th century. Was built as Georgian church. But in the 18th century, our king Alexander II gave the church to Armenian population. We still have here Armenian population. And you know that only Armenian population celebrate Christmas on 5th January.
Yeah.
You celebrate Christmas today, we on 7th January, but Armenian people Armenians believe that Jesus Christ is only God. We think that Jesus Christ is God and also has something for humanity. So this is different. And when Armenians have Buddhist church, in the middle of arch, they put Khachkar. When Armenians put cross on the stone, they call it Khachkar. Previous Khachkar have not been there. After Soviet Union, they was opened again Georgian church. Still active Georgian church. Unfortunately, that lady of lady who takes care of this church, sometimes during the winter, he opens this gate very late or very rare.
Oh.
So this is the reason why gate is closed and we cannot go in. But normally during the summer, we always go in.
Oh.
So pay attention at the roof of the tower. You see there grow different kind of flowers.
Oh.
It looks like dry grass, yeah?
Yeah.
But at the beginning of summer, they are blooming together and they all are different color and very beautiful.
Wow.
Locals say those flowers are dangerous because when roots grow, roots can damage the roof.
Yeah.
There was reconstruction and they did not remove those flowers. I hope they are not dangerous. You remember, I told you that we have here 23 towers and 7 gates. 3 towers we stop. Okay, also we see the tower and we are going to walk to the gate. Previous city was in the middle of this wall, but now wall is in the middle of this thing. Because if something happens, this wall if we drive, we follow our path.
Ay, ang tibay mo ah.
You guys are lazy.
You are the winner. Not me.
How old is this village?
Now, come here. I'm gonna show you something. Action. So remember this place?
Must be George. Because every Georgian is George. Good picture. Good picture. Ah, okay.
Solomon.
Is philosopher of Georgian language. And the first is our poet Shalvan Chedlishvili. Both were born in the municipality of this city. And here we have few memorials, and I would like to tell you about those memorials. I think this is one of the most important memorials for us. You see stone, and on the stone is written 9 April. If you walk
89.
in Tbilisi, or Roosevelt Street, in front of Parliament, you can see similar memorial. In 1989, on 9th April, Georgian people began demonstration in Tbilisi in front of our parliament against Soviet Union. Of course, we wanted independence, but Soviet Union government used poison gas. Not only poison gas, different kinds of weapons, and killed women, children, pregnant women, and of course men too. Gas was so terrible that during 1 year, killed more and more people. No one counted them. We got independence only after 2 years. In 1991, on 9/18 again. And I can easily say that we have the days of independence in our country. And government prefers not celebrate 26 May because first we got independence in 1918. Yes, which unfortunately we lost only after 2 years. Now I think you know better about the political now let's go through this memory. Is memorial for those people who died during the Second World War from those villages which we have around this city. This kind of memorial you can see in many villages and in city in Georgia. First is written name of the city. First name is name of the city. And down are names and surnames of those people who died from those villages or cities. And from Georgia during the Second World War died more than 400,000 people. More than 10% of population. It's too much. On this war, you can read about 4,500 names. Okay, in Georgia we have 3 alphabets, and this is modern alphabet, which one we use now. And first is written family name, surname, then first letter of the name and first letter of father's name. In Georgia, we don't have second names. Previous, our father's name was our second name, but we don't do this anymore. Just name and surname. And pay attention, people they have same surname and same father's name. So not only one person from family died. It was big tragedy for Georgia and for whole world. So now I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Georgia's surnames. In Georgia we have 11 regions and all regions. Yeah, you have province, yeah? But in Georgia we have regions. All regions are very different. Most of you have been with me in Gudauri. That one is Khatam region and you saw very different nature. Here in Kakheti region, different nature. Nature is different. Food is different. Harvest, we have different harvests from different region of Georgia. Even character of the people is very different. In Georgia, when we meet new people, we always ask surname or from which region is this person. We know surname, we know region. We know region, we know character of this person. I say that I'm from mountain region. I was born and grew up in Tbilisi, but my surname comes from mountain region. And when Georgian new people meet me, they always say that I have mountain character. I don't joke, really. Okay, I'm going to tell you a small example. You know, you see Georgia is a hospitality country. We love guests very much. Doesn't matter which country you came from, we are happy. Because we are sure that all guests are sent by God. So we believe that one day Jesus Christ will come in our house as guest. So we always offer the best. And when you visit West Georgia, now we are in it. West Georgia, people will behave like they were waiting you during whole year. At last you arrived. They're gonna set table for you because it's Georgia Supra, Georgia feast. Put maybe 15, 20 different kinds of Georgia food on the table. And we say that people from West Georgia are annoying. Why? Would you like to have this? Take this. We'll offer you 100 times. They will not stop until you don't take this food or gift. When you visit this region, people also behave at last you came and will set a beautiful feast for you, table for you. But they are gonna offer you to sit next to the table only once. They will not repeat second times. Because people from this region say that they don't want to be annoying like people from West Georgia. When you visit mountain, that village where my father was born, if you look at people, they look like grumpy. I promise you. But if they will become your friends, it means you become their family members. They can die for you to protect and save you. I promise you. This is just mask. Like this. And look, you see that end of the surnames are the same. So in different regions, surnames finish differently. In this region, surnames finish with Shvili. Shvili means child. In Emirati region, with Ze. Ze means son. Mountain region, Uli or Uri. Samegrelo region, we have the most active people. Samegrelo region with Uriya. For example, I'm sure you heard about our football player, Farad Schelia. He is from Samegrelo region. Now let's walk that way and I'm going to show you different memorial.
Okay, he's from that football player.
Only one language, three dialects, and those dialects are different languages too. So we can easily say that in Georgia we have 4 languages. Samegrelo, Lazetti, and Spalletti. Only in these three. Spanish? No. Spanish. We don't speak Spanish. It's different country, but 2008. This is that year when we had the last war in Georgia.
Last war?
Last war was in 2008. This is the last time when Russia attacked Georgia and occupied region Samachablo. They call it South Ossetia, but the real name is Samachablo. So we have here two memorials. In 1991, we got independence from Soviet Union. But same year, Russia attacked Georgia and occupied region which name is Abkhazia. So here are names of those heroes from that period. They saved people and tried to protect our country. Country we protected, but we lost that region. And sure you all know about Russia. And again, in 2008, attacked Georgia and occupied second region, Samachablo. This hero, he saved a lot of people, but unfortunately, he died there. So at this moment, two big regions are occupied by Russia. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you beautiful story. I know too many sad stories. Let's finish with beautiful story
now. Go.
For us, it's not easy to walk here. Too much, especially in 2000. Sorry, I speak Russian. But Russian is not our language. It's very different from Georgian language. I know Russian language because I was born in Soviet Union period.
Oh, toilet.
They attack everything. Yes. Why they have no war with Ukraine? Was born there. And as I told you, we call him Niko Pirosmani. When he was 8 years old, his father died. So mother sent him to live and work in Tbilisi in the family named Vost Kalantarovi. When he grew up, he fell in love with his family's daughter. He wanted to marry her. He wrote a beautiful letter and asked her to marry him. But she rejected his proposal. She said that Niko Pirosmani for her was his brother. So she was not going to marry him. After this, of course, he was upset and he left that family. And Niko Pirosmani opened art gallery with his friend. Gallery did not work. They had not any income. So they closed it and Niko Pirosmani found different job on the railway station. He had a very good salary, but he had some problem with his health, so he left that job. And that money which one he collected there, he used to buy a small shop, which worked very good, and also he painted pictures from different shops and restaurants. One day, a famous singer and dancer, Margarita, arrived in Georgia. She was from France, and of course, all people wanted to see her performance. In the evening, when it was beginning of her performance, all people noticed that one man stood up and left the theater. People were surprised by he filmed that this. He thought he could not understand anything. And next day, when Margarita woke up and she looked through the window, she saw that whole street in front of her window was covered with flowers.
Wow.
Man who left the theater was Niko Pirosmani. Niko Pirosmani saw Margarita. He fell in love. Went back, sold his shop, and used all money to buy all flowers, which he found in Tbilisi and around Tbilisi. And of course, gifted them to Margarita. Margarita was curious who have done this. She went outside. A handsome Georgian man came close, gave her the most beautiful rose, and said that it was gift from Niko Pirosmani. Where is he? Asked Margarita. He is drinking wine and saying toast about you, answered that man. After this, we have two versions. First version says that they never met each other. This is not reality. But second version, which one is reality, says that they lived together during few months. And then Margarita went back to France. When Nico Pirosmani died, he had nothing. He lived under the stairs. Of course, he had that house, which one he got from the parents, but he gave this house to his sister. During his life, people collected his paintings and organized exhibitions in Tbilisi. After that, Nico Pirosmani read terrible article about his paintings and he fell in depression. After his death, people again collected his paintings and organized exhibition in France. He became famous in whole world. Few years ago, was sold one his painting and its price was few million euros. But during the life, sometimes he painted pictures and he charged only a glass of wine. There is a big difference. I think it was an old wine. And when there was exhibition in France, all people noticed that my old lady came every day. And she was standing always in front of her painting. People were surprised why she liked only this painting. They came close and asked. She said that she was Margarita and it was her portrait. Beautiful love story? Said end. And because he very such sad love story, people are sure that this is the reason why we call Signagi City of Love. A lot of people are sure that this happened here, on this square. No, this happened in Tbilisi because he lived in Tbilisi. So, dear friends, this is very small city. Population is only 1,500 people. It's a really city, not town, not village. Officially, this area became city in 1,801 year. Locals, they all know each other. Not only each other, they all know me because I come here every another day. So most buildings are from 18th, 19th century. This is small theater. This is the city hall, the biggest one, and then one is theater, second building. Yeah, theater is active. And I need one good picture in this city. Okay, stand there, 2026.
Si Margarita? Where did Margarita perform? In Tbilisi, not here, right?
Not here. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Yeah, so it's better. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, that way. Do you need more time to take your pictures? No. That's this way.
Okay, while we're middle of the road. That is Elijah. JJ.
Beautiful.
I counted you, and now I counted 62, but you are still 30. Whatever is okay.
Hindi napagod ah. Walang kapaguran.
Lock ka mamaya ba?
Ah, sigurado.
Tara, tara.
Okay, John, you have to I'll get one.
I'll be the high score chess. Chess. What does it say?
Uy, in taon, huwag ka lumapit sa akin. Maawa ka. Ah. Yan. Nilapitan ako nitong kaibigan nito. Sabi nila, pag may mga ganyan daw, ibig sabihin na injeksyonan yan sila ng mga ano nila, anti-rabies. Safe sila. Yung mga aso na may mga ano. Oo. Rayuma.
I told you that's Tignahi. We call City of Love.
City of Love.
You know reason why we call Tignahi City of Love? Don't know what? Really?
Forgot. Yeah.
Because there is a wedding house on the second floor. We, before pandemic situation, work 24 hours per day. Anytime you could marry here. Small Las Vegas in Georgia. How do you think? What do you need to marry here? What do you need?
Passport?
Before passport?
Documents.
Before signature.
Look for a girl.
Bride and groom.
Bride and groom. Of course.
Yes. Of course.
Bride and groom, and then passport with you. And also 2 witnesses.
Only two.
A ride without your friends. You see how many witnesses we have here. And also it depends which country you came from. Maybe you need to translate your passports. If this is second marriage, it's necessary to have document about divorce. This is official civil marriage. In Georgia, we have 2 marriages. Church marriage and civil marriage. For church marriage, you go to Uzbek. Sorry? Yes, same in your country. For civil marriage, you come here. A lot of my tourists married here. How do you think? Which country are most of them? From which country are most of them? European? No, to be honest,
Middle East. Second wife.
no, never ever. In Georgia. Don't read about this in Georgia. Arabic countries. You know they are allowed to come to Dubai.
Yes.
And when I show them wedding house, they're like, oh, I can marry 4 times here. And like, it's Georgia. It's easier to lose your head here than find second wife. More people, residents from those countries, here is difficult to marry. For example, Kuwait, Qatar, Israel also. You need maximum 1 hour to request here all official documents. We do like this. Sometimes my tourists, before we begin tour, they tell me that they would like to marry here. So at the beginning of city tour, I leave them here. Also my ID card, because I'm always their witness. I have relatives everywhere now. So then we walk around, then come back, documents are ready. They have beautiful small ceremony, and at the end, they are gonna get a small gift. Gift is wine, of course. Now, follow me.
Can I get married here?
Yes, very fine.
Is there any girl here available for me?
Let's ask. No,
Ah, ito yung ano, oh. Ito yung doon sa ano.
You see, her nose is different color. We believe if you rub her nose, you will find your love.
Oh, okay. I'm the one. Oh my God.
I never believed about this. Before pandemic situation, I had a tourist from Dubai. She made a wish. After lockdown, when we opened the border, first person who arrived in Georgia was she with future husband.
How
With
about
group.
money?
They married in this wedding house.
Forever, yes.
Yes, already.
Ang sweet.
Saba.
One more. Kiss. Kiss. Naiyan.
I want to be my nose like
Ah, that's why.
forever love.
Forever.
And this is for you guys.
Yeah.
happen? I will find my true love?
Yes.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh my God.
You have already.
Oh my God.
Here in Georgia.
Oh my God.
Baka yung kasunod mo na nag-zipline. Alright.
Yeah, right.
Okay, ready? Hi, 1, 2, 3. One more. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Left side, city of love.
city of love. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Now let's go to our bus. So, dear friends, after this, attention just 1 second. We travel to Philippines, but you remember we have one more stop. Yes. Winery KTW. Canadian traditional winery.
Yes.
One, the biggest winery in Georgia.
Yes.
And I said you can taste them more wine, but after wine tasting, if you buy something, you don't charge for wine tasting. You don't buy, you will charge another person.
Yeah.
Of course, up to you. And I said, not necessary compulsory to buy one bottle. When group like this buys, this is already big group 7, 8 bottles, it will be enough for them.
Yeah.
But if nothing, no. But it's not necessary only to buy wine. Recording this? Also have tea, for example. You like tea? Yes. Now let's go to the bus. Ready.
Yan ang maganda pag may tour guide ka kasi kahit malayo na pupuntahan. YouTube. Anong YouTube? Anong pangalan? Para sa anak ko, KFHN space TV.
KFHM
TV. So ito yung bus namin guys. Dalawa yung bus namin. Oo. Yan po yung bus namin. Nandito, ito yung restaurant. Di natin makabasa kasi yung mga sulat nila eh. Oo.